Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here. You're right on the HRC with High Road Comics, and today I just wanted to go ahead and show you some of the pickups I got this week, a couple eBay wins, and yeah. So also, if you haven't seen the Avengers yet, you might want to go ahead and turn it off after I show you these couple comics, because some of the keys that I got were because I had just gotten out of Avengers and I got FOMO, and that's okay. So I can't believe I didn't grab these on New Comic Book Wednesday, but I got Deadpool number 12. Whoops, man, it's backwards. Deadpool number 12. Check out that cover. I think it's pretty awesome. And then I also got this Kevin Eastman variant for Batman Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3. So this is the first issue. Haven't read the first two, the Batman Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 1 or 2, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll get it. But man, this Eastman cover is badass, and it makes me regret not getting the Eastman cover for that Marvel Action Spider-Man that came out a couple months ago. So yep, I already pre-staged these so that you don't have to wait on me opening them. So let's go ahead and check it out. Just falls out just like that, I guess. Ooh, extra plastic. That's what I like. So it doesn't get wet. Check it out. Blank. I think that's how I'm gonna start packing mine when I sell stuff on eBay. Alright, let's see where the reveal is gonna be. Alright, guess this comic based on the back. Oh shit, just gave the reveal away. Check it out. The Mighty Thor Avengers Assemble number 390, and that right there is Steve Rogers as the captain. But check it out. First appearance. That's why it was so cheap. Look at that. Ooh, damn. It's okay. It's okay. I just wanted to have it. Is that where he picks it up? Ooh, check this out. So you got Steve Rogers reaching for Mohinder, and then very next page, bam, kapwhack, holding that hammer like he was born to do so. So, got FOMO. I bought it. Don't care about that cut on the back. If I ever get it graded, which I won't, then I might cry, but in the meantime, super happy that I got this key. I'll even use this plastic, and I will put it in my box of keys. I don't care, I have it. That's all that matters. And finally, I got the big reveal. Alright. Also on the back, blank. Didn't buy it from the same person, but this is the first time I've got comics shipped like this. Maybe I really should take a page out of their book and do the same thing. There you go, sport. Alright, so based on the back, you won't be able to tell, but I am super happy with this quality because they didn't say it was near mint, and I don't see any color breaks. I'm gonna get this graded. I'm gonna get Bendis and Romita, just gave it away. I'm gonna get them to sign this. Check it out. Iron Man holding the Infinity Gauntlet. So badass. Check it out. My favorite cover. I'm gonna hang it on the wall so the color fades. Just kidding. No, I'm not. What's the point in having these if you can't display them? I wish I had a basement. I would never leave it. But check it out. The Avengers number 12. 2011, like, check out that Thor icon. Man, I am not taking this out of this bag. This is awesome. Fan-freaking-tastic. So that's all I got. Thank you for being here. Please let me know what you think I got, of what I got, and did you get FOMO? Did you buy any keys? And if not, should I buy any more? I don't know. So that's all I got. This is Errol, taking the next exit. I'll see you at the next stop.